In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a transcript of a Vimeo video. This can be really helpful if you want to follow along with the spoken content or need to refer back to specific parts later. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, grab your laptop and go ahead and open Vimeo. If you haven't already done so, make sure you're logged into your account. Vimeo is a fantastic platform that hosts a multitude of videos, from creative content to educational material, and accessing transcripts can enhance your understanding of the video you're watching. Once Vimeo is open in your browser, navigate to the video that you're interested in. You can use the search bar at the top to find a specific video or browse through your feed or channels that you follow. Once you find the video you want to check out, click on it to start playing. Now, as the video begins to play, direct your attention below or around the video player. You should look for a button labeled Transcript. It can sometimes be hidden in the area where other options like, share, or download buttons are located. Don't worry, it's usually easy to spot. If the video creator has provided a transcript, you'll see this button clearly. Go ahead and click on that transcript button. When you click it, what happens next is really useful. The transcript will open up in a panel right beside the video. This allows you to watch the video and read along simultaneously, which can be especially handy if you're trying to catch every detail. Once the transcript is open, take a moment to scroll through it. You'll notice that the text is likely organized in a way that corresponds with the video, making it easy to follow along. It's almost like having a script in front of you. If there's a specific word or phrase you're looking for in the video, there's an easy way to locate it. At the top of the transcript panel, you should find a search icon. Click on that icon and type in the word or phrase that you want to find. It will highlight the sections of the transcript where that word appears, making it super convenient to jump straight to the part of the video where that content is mentioned. Another neat feature of the transcript is that you can actually click on any section of the text. When you do that, the video will jump right to that point. This feature is particularly great if you want to revisit a specific moment without having to fumble around the timeline of the video. Imagine you hear a great tip, and you want to note it down. You can just click on that tip in the transcript, and there you go, right back to the relevant moment. Now, if the video contains multiple language options, there's something else you'll want to keep in mind. Look for the transcript settings in the panel. You can choose your preferred language there if the option is available. This feature is fantastic for non-native speakers who want to ensure they're getting the content in a language they're most comfortable with. So, to recap, open Vimeo, locate your chosen video, find and click on the transcript button, scroll through or search for specific words, and jump to those moments by clicking the text. Also, don't forget to check if there are language settings available. That's it! You now know how to get a transcript of a Vimeo video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more great content like this. Thank you for tuning in.